doing. That was incredible. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, please head over to that subscribe button and click on that bell so that when I post a new video you know immediately and you start watching. So as you know, I'm all about adventure, and today I'm going bungee jumping at the Bloukrans Bridge in Ndebele. It is one of South Africa's most iconic engineering and adventure landmarks. As you may know, it is located along the famous garden route, so beautiful, on the N2 highway near Ndebele, right on the border between the Eastern Cape and the Western Cape provinces. So apparently this bungee is officially the highest commercial bridge bungee jump in the world at 216 meters. So you free fall for about 7 seconds before the cord fully stretches. I'm going to give you a chance to watch the video right after this. The staff is also very friendly. They help you out. They are asking how they can help you at every corner. There's spaces for food. I just didn't get the chance to snap those. For food, for drinks, even beers. The staff is also very clear with instructions. You are never lost. You're never wondering what's going on. And if you're part of a group, then it's even better because the guides are very helpful. You are allowed to take videos of yourself, but they do, however, take your phone between the zip lining to the bridge. So you may miss some moments, but you can pay for the official video, which is the one that you will watch of me if you watch the rest of the video. The service and the experience all round wonderful. So here goes.
Guys, welcome to Bloukrans, Africa's highest bridge and home to the world's best bungee. It's Skywalk. Are you ready?
Yes! 3, 2, 1.
Hey, my lady, just tell us how you feel right now.
I don't know. I don't even know what I'm doing.
And why are you jumping, my lady?
Okay, so 7 months into motherhood, and I've been feeling like so numb. Like all my feelings are just like in equilibrium. So I'm trying to get like a high of some sort.
Tell the camera about it.
Hey, I loved it. It was incredible. But I definitely thought it was much longer. Yeah, it felt like then I was back.
Well done. Smile for the camera.
Fun, right? Thank you so much for getting to this point. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and connect with me on Instagram at Mojabeng Ndebele. Mwah! I don't even know what I'm doing.